Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm sharing the exciting news about the Scrapbooking Fun Summit. This is a free scrapbooking event. It has already started, it's live now. I'm teaching this beautiful Mintay Her Story shabby chic layout. I'm going to take you step by step through this tutorial and you can craft along with me. There are many other scrapbookers, card makers, and amazing paper crafters that are part of this summit. For my layout, you will need the Mintay Papers Her Story 12 by 12 scrapbooking paper, the die cuts, and the paper elements. I have links to these in my store and on my website. I'm using the spring chippies and the birdcage chippies. I'm going to paint those chippies with the white chalk paint by Mintay, and I'm also including a stencil and some chalk paste in my layout for a mixed media effect. So I hope that you'll come and join me. This is a free class, so there's lots of free classes that you can join up for, and I'll also be doing a live. If you choose to purchase the VIP bundle, I'm giving away a $50 digital printable. It includes Tropical Rainbow #1, which creates lots and lots of beautiful tropical rainbow cards. I'm giving away Tropical Rainbow Part 2, which can be used for scrapbook layouts and cards to create many, many beautiful projects. I'm giving away Rustic Bouquet Printable, which is one of my favorites and one of the most popular printables. You can make layouts like this one by Deborah. I'm also giving away my latest printable, the Shabby Chic cards and layouts, and that's a card by Marie, and this is a card by Deborah, and this is a layout by Roxanne. You can make so many beautiful things with these printables, so come and join us. The link is below in the description bar. Don't waste any time, hop straight onto it and join the fun today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.